बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Which of the following sequence are general if sequence is geometric? Okay, this one is geometric and also sequence of geometric, then we find common ratio. Okay, and recently exercise 2.2 solve and question number 1, exercise number 2.2, and there is we find arithmetics sequence. Find arithmetics. In arithmetics method we are add value and next term we find here. It means here is 1, this one is 1, and also 1 plus 1, and here is 2, and also 2 plus 1 here is 3, and 3 plus 1 here is 4. It means these values are found in arithmetic progression sequence. And now we find geometric sequence and also multiply here, and next number we find here. Multiply previous value, multiply and next value obtain here. 1 multiply here is 1 here, and 1 multiply 2 here is 2, and 2 multiply 2, and next term is here is 4. Okay, now this sequence term 2, the next term is here is 3. It means this is not a sequence because we also here is multiply and the answer is 4 here, 2 and 4. Okay, this is not a geometric sequence. And second part here is we check here geometric sequence or not sequence. 10, here is 10. Okay, now 10 multiply 10, next term we find here is 100. Okay, and now 100 multiply 10 also, next term is 1000, and also 1000 multiply 10, and we find here is 10,000. It means previous term multiply 10, we find next term obtain, and same sequence. This is geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, here is geometric sequence, and now we find common ratio. Common ratio, it means second term and divided by first term. Here is common ratio value. Okay, now common ratio is equal to R is equal to A2, second term we have 100, and first term is here is 10 divided by 10. Okay, and now common ratio is equal to 10. Next, here is we check here 2 first term, and now multiply here is 2 multiply 2, next term we gain 4, and also 4 multiply 2 gain 8, also 8 multiply 2, the next term is 16. It means this is geometric sequence. And common ratio is R is equal to A2 over A1. Now A2 is equal to 4. Here is A2 and 2 here is A1. Now right here is 2. And more simplify here is 2 to the 4. R is equal to 2. It is answer. Okay, next. Here is, we checked here, 16 first term, and we divide, here is 2, we obtain next term 8. Okay, and also 8 divided by, divide or sorry 8 divided by 2, and the next term is 4. It means this is geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, and common ratio is second term is 8, and first term is 16. Now more simplify, here is 8 1 the 8 and 8 2 the 16, 1 over 2. It is common ratio obtained. Okay, next term is right here, and now 6, here is 6, and next number is 6 multiply 3, answer is 8, and 8 multiply same number as 3, just 3 multiply also here, and also multiply here is 3, then 54, and now next number is 24. It means this is not a geometric sequence. Okay, next move on. This one 1, and next term is 1 multiply 1, here is 1, and next term is also 1 multiply, here is 0, 1 multiply, this is not geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, this one is not geometric sequence, and here is not geometric sequence. 3 part are not geometric sequence, and this 3 part are geometric sequence. Okay, next move on. Question number 2. Here is, find the general term of the following geometric sequence. General term right here is a n is equal to a1 or n minus 1. This is general form of geometric sequence. Now we put here is an, here is an, and first part here is a1 is equal to 1, and r we find here r is equal to second term 4, and first term divided by 1, r is equal to 4. It means 1 into 4 into n minus 1, and answer is 4 exponent n minus 1. It is answer. Okay, next one is a1 is equal to 6, right here is 6, and r is equal to, we find here is r is equal to a2 or a1. Okay, now put here is a2 is 12 over 6. More simplify, here is 6 to the 12, and answer is 2. Right here is 2, and exponent here is n minus 1. It is answer. Okay, next third part right here is r is equal to a2 or a1. Okay, next term is here, and a1 is equal to 15. Right here is 15, and r we find here is 45. Second term or first term, and more simplify here is 15 3 the 45, and answer is 3. R is equal to 3 and exponent is n minus 1. It is answer. Okay, next one is this part, and this one is 200 and 150 and 25. First term is 200 right here. R is equal to second term divided by first term. It means 100 over 200. 0 0 cancel and 1 over 2. Here is 1 over 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Okay, it is answer. And question number 3 here is find the first 4-term geometric sequence where the general term is given. This general term are given, and we find here is first 4 term. Okay, now more. Here is clear image. Okay, now we solve here first part. General term are given, and now we put here is n is equal to 1, and a n, it means this one is n, this one is n, and now we write here is, let's suppose n is equal to 1, because we find 4 terms. N is equal to 1, right here is n is equal to 1. Here is a1 is equal to, and here is 3 point, here is 2 is exponent, here is n is equal to 1 minus 1, and more simplify here is 3 multiply this, here is multiply. Okay, now more simplify here is into brackets, 1 minus 1 here is 0, and 3 multiply 1, and how is here is 1, because every number and raise power 0 answer will be 1. Okay, and here is 3, and a2, here is a2 because n is equal to 2. Now an, sorry, here is 3 point, it means multiply 2 raise the power 2 minus 1. More simplify here is 3.2 raise the power 1, and 3 multiply 2 here is 6. Same as n is equal to 3, n is equal to 3 and a3 is equal to 3 into 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1 and 3 multiply 2 power 2 and here is the result is 12. Also multiply here is n is equal to, we put n is equal to 4 and a4 is equal to 3 multiply 2 raised to power 4 minus 1, 3 multiply 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, 8 multiply 3 here is 24 and four term of first four term of geometric sequence is here is 3, 6, 12 and 24. Right here is 3, 6, 12 and 24. It is answer. Okay, next this one. Okay, let's move on. Green sheet and right here is 6, 12, 24 and 48. First four term we find here. Now n is equal to 1. Here is 1. Now put n is equal to 1. An is equal to 4 multiply 2 exponent n minus 1. We find first four term. Okay, and this one is second question. And now we put here is n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to 4 multiply 2 into 1 minus 1. And here is 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 0. And answer is 4. This portion is equal to 1. Okay, now n is equal to 2. We put here is n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. Okay, now n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1 is equal to 4 multiply 2 exponent is 2. Also 4 multiply 4 16. Now put here is n is equal to 4. Okay. And A3 is equal to, sorry, A4 is equal to, here is A4 is equal to 4 multiplied 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, sorry, 2 raised to the power 3, 4 minus 1 and exponent here is 3, 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, 8 multiply 4 is 32. Okay, now first sequence right here is first 4 terms and here is circle, and we write here is first 4 term is 4, 8, 16 and 32. It is answer. Okay, next an is equal to 25 multiply minus 1 by 2 to n minus 1. Okay, now first 4 term we find, and plus n is equal to 1 and put this general term is n is equal to 1. Okay, n is equal to 1. A1 is equal to, sorry, right here is A1 is equal to 25 multiply into minus 1 by 2, n is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 25 multiply minus 1 over 2 raised to the power 0, and answer is 25. Okay, now this portion is equal to 1, and 25 multiply 1 here is 25. Okay, next question, n is equal to, we put here is n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 25 into minus 1, and here is 2 minus 1 is equal to 25 into minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 25 over 2. Now put n is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 25 into minus 1 by 2, and power is 3 minus 1 is equal to 25 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 2, and answer is 25 over 4. Okay, this power is even, and also minus convert into positive, because minus multiply minus and result is plus. Okay, you have must understood. Next we put here n is equal to 4. A3 is equal, sorry, A4 is equal to 25 into minus 1 over 2 raised to the power 4 minus 1. So here is minus 25 into minus 1 by 2, and exponent power is, here is 3, and minus 24 over 8. Minus, how here is minus because power is odd, and minus cannot to minus because 3 times minus multiply here, minus multiply here, minus multiply here. The result is also minus. Minus plus, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus here is okay. Next, 2 power 3 here is 8. First 4 term are right here is this first 4 term. Okay, 25 over 2 minus here, and 25 over 4 also minus 25 over 8. This first 4 term right here. Okay, now last one is an is equal to 5 multiply 1 over 5, 1 over 5 whole power n minus 1, and we find first 4 term. Okay, now put here is n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 5 multiply 1 over 5, 1 minus 1 is equal to 5 multiply 1 over 5 whole power 0 is equal to 5 multiply 1 is equal to 5. Now we put here n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Now A2 here is A2 is equal to 5 into 1 over 5 whole power 2 minus 1 is equal to 5 multiply 1 over 5 whole power 1. 5 cancel, and answer is 1. Here is 5 first term, second term, and now n is equal to 3. here is A3 is equal to 5 into 1 over 5 whole the power 3 by 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equal to 5 multiply 3 minus 1, 2, it means 1 over 5 square. Okay, now 5 over 1 over 5 square, sorry, here is 1 over 5 square is equal to 1 over 25. This one is 5 2 times multiply 5 5 the 25. It means 1 over 5 answer. Okay. Now we write here is 1 over 5. Here is next. N is equal to 4. A4 is equal to 5 into 1 over 5 whole power 4 minus 1 is equal to 5 multiply 1 over 5 whole power 3. Now more simplify here is 1 over 5 whole the power 3 is right here is portion 5 multiply 1 over 3 times multiply here is 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 1 5 and here is 1 5 cancelled and remaining is 1 over 25. Okay, now right here is 1 over 25. The sequence is 5 1 1 over 5 and 1 over 25. It is answer. Okay, next move on. Question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, now we solve question number 3 and move on question number 4. Here is question number 4 and find the indicate term of geometric sequence. Okay, now last term are given. Last term we find and first term and R we have given. Okay, let's start. Formula is AN is equal to general geometric sequence formula. AN is equal to A1 A R and minus 1. Okay, now this is formula right here. And first part are here. A4 we write here is A4, N is 4 and A are given 20, R also given is 10. Here is 10 and also given 4 minus 1 is equal to 20 multiply 10 raised power 3 and 20 multiply 1000 and answer is 20,000 here. Okay, next part here. Now we find A7. A7 right here is A, and now N is 7, and A also given here is 3, here is 3, and R also given here is 3 raised to power 7 minus 1 is equal to 3 multiply 3 raised to power 6 is equal to 3, 6 times altogether multiply, and also here is 1 time here, power is 1, and 3 raised power 7 is equal to 2187. It is answer. And okay, now next term we write here is next term over here. A5, here is A5, now A5 is equal to A also given here is 512 and R 1 over 2, and we have 5 minus 1 is equal to, more simplify here is 512 and 1 over 2, here is 5 minus 1, here is 4. Okay, now more simplify here is 512 multiply 1 over 4, it means 2 times 4, 2 times multiply, it means 2 here is same 4 times multiply, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Here is 16, and now more simplify here is 16 3 the 48 and 3 remainder carry on to 32 and 16 to the 32, it means 32 answer here is. We write here is 32, here is 32. Okay, next one is this part we are given A10, we find here in last term A10. A10 is equal to A also given 7 and R is equal to 2 and N is 10 minus 1. Okay, now 7 multiply 2 raised to power 9 is equal to 7 multiply 2 multiply 9, 512, and also is equal to 7 to the 14, 4 here, 1 carry, 7 1 the 1, and also 1 carry 8, 7 5 the 35. It is answer. Okay, next question, question number 5. Okay, slightly move on. Question number 5. A writer wrote 120 words on the first day. Okay. 240 words on the second day. Okay. And 460 words on the third day. Okay. Now, if the number of written words are increased in the same pattern, find the number of words on the 10th day. 10th day we find here. Okay, more simplify here is, and just this question same as question number, like as question number 4. A, and we write formula an is equal to a or n minus 1. Okay, now this one is a1, and a1 is also 121, number is 120, sequence is 240, third is 480. Now we find 10th day, it means a n is 10th, a1 is 120, and r we find here, r is equal to 240 and 120, 200 cancel, and 2 12 multiplied by 2 here is 24, r is equal to 2, and also here is 10 minus 1. More simplify, here is 120 multiply 2 raised to the power 9 is equal to 120 multiply 2 raised to the power 9, 512, and total answer is 61,440. These words. Okay. Next question number 6. Here is 6. First we read question number 5. Sorry, 5 also right here, and now question number 6. Here is 6. A sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. It means this one is triangle is 3 side. Here is 180 degree. Okay. Next of quadrilateral is 360. Quadrilateral, quadric, it means 4 side. Here is 4 side and angle is 360. Okay. And pentagon is 540 degree. Pentagon here is 5 side and angle is 540 degree. Here is 5 side. Find the sum of angle of an octagon. 8 side. We find 8 side octagon. It means 8 side and first 2 side are not given. It means 8 minus 2. This one is 8 side 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay. And here is 6. And here is and it means n is equal to 6. Okay, now n is equal to 6. Here is right here. And 180 plus 180 360 and 360 plus 180 550. It means this sequence is arithmetic sequence because first term add 180, the next term we obtain 360, and 360 plus 180, and third term we obtain 550, like as continuously. Okay, now arithmetics formula we here use a 1 plus into n minus 1 into d. A1 is 180 plus n is 6 minus 1 7. Difference d is equal to second term minus first term. It means 180 degree. Okay, now more simplify here is 180 plus 700 786 5 carry 711 and 5 1 12. Okay, now more simplify here is add here is 1260 180 add 0 4 4 and also 1 1440. It is answer. Now question number 7. Here is first we read question number 7. Abdullah exercise trainer suggest jogging for 10 each day for the first week. Okay, first day for the first week 10-minute jogging. After each week, it means every week, he suggests 10 increase suggests to increase that time by 5 minutes per day. Increase 5 minutes per day. It means 10 plus 5 add the second week here is 15 and first week is 10. First week is 10, next week is here is 15. Okay. At sixth week, how many minutes will be? Sixth week, it means sixth week we find here. Okay, very simply. First here is 10, next here is 5 add, and also here is 5 add 20. Okay, up to so on. Sixth term we find arithmetics progression because 5 add addition also arithmetic for use, and geometric progression also use multiplication and division. Okay, now arithmetic formula is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Now we find sixth term n is equal to 6. Here is a1 first term is 10 plus n here is 10 minus 1. D difference second term minus first term here is 5 answer. 5 difference. And now more simplify here is 10 plus 10 minus 1 9. 9 multiply 5 45 is equal to 10 plus 45 55. It is answer. 55 minutes. in 6 week. Okay, this exercise completed. If this video like, and you must be like, comments and share, because this video reach other. Take care. Allah Hafiz.